Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are not new. My name is Jenny. Today I have a which would I choose video between my Alma BB and also my Speedy B25. I know that I researched this video a lot when I was trying to decide which bag to choose, although I did still end up choosing the wrong one. I just got back from work not too long ago and I'm so exhausted, but I still wanted to film a luxury type of video for you guys because I know that I haven't had one up for a really long time, since my Alma BB review, I think. So yeah, I wanted to actually show you guys my luggage tag. This is the one that I got from Hawaii and just has a J on it, and then it has the Hawaii stamp on it. So yeah, I think it's super cute. This one does go on my Neverfull. It's the only bag that I have with the vaqueta on it, and oh, my Monstery backpack also has vaqueta on it, but it's not brand spanking white. So I decided to just put this one on my Neverfull, and then hopefully I can get a new one when my Monstery backpack goes in for repair. Then I also got this one stamped with a J as well, and this one's actually super cute. I love the gold on it. I just love it. It's so cute. So both of these bags do have the pros and the cons to it. Obviously this one carries more, this one carries less. I would say that this is a little heavy for what it is, and the strap is thinner than this strap. So this one tends to dig in a little bit more than this one does, and I find that this one can be a little bit uncomfortable when you have a lot of stuff in here, especially if it's heavy. So the reason why I would choose my Speedy B25 over the Alma is just because the Speedy B can carry more, and I like the silhouette of it. Just because I think it's more practical for my lifestyle. I know not everyone carries as much as I do, so you can get away with carrying the Alma BB, which I think is also great as well. This bag is so cute. I wish that I could, you know, still keep it and everything and still have it, you know, in my closet, but I just don't use it, and it's just not practical for me to keep the bag. So I want to first show you guys my Alma BB. So let's go ahead and do some close-ups. So the straps still look really good, super shiny. These are what the chaps look like. Here's the back of it. And then the inside of the bag, whoops. The inside of the bag, there are no dark marks or anything in there. And then these are, let me just show you guys the side of the bag where the light hits so you guys can see that there is no scuffing on this bag. Made in France stamp here. And I think I stopped using this bag as soon as I got my Speedy B, so I want to say I haven't worn it since like December. But yeah, that is what it is looking like. And here it looks a little bit deformed, doesn't it? But that's just the lighting. It's like nothing wrong with it. This is what the bottom looks like. Now these are a little tarnished. They do look silver. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but yeah, as you can see on the side, they do look silver. Sorry about my nail, by the way. I have not had a chance to do them yet. So yeah, that is what this bag looks like. And it's still really perfect. There is no wrinkling on the clochette. So yeah. As for my Speedy B25, I've been wearing this for about 3 months now. Or yeah, actually it's like only 2.5 months. So it's still in perfect condition. Not a lot of scratches, I would say, on the handles or anything. The zipper is still really smooth, and the inside is still really clean. Now, I don't have everything that I usually carry in this bag in the bag right now, just because we did get back from Hawaii on, I want to say like Monday night. So we got back on Monday night and I wasn't wearing this bag, I was wearing my Neverfull, so I still have some things in there. And yeah, this one does obviously carry more, which is why I like it. I do have to carry my vlog camera, my tripod for my vlog camera. I have to carry wet wipes, my mini pochette, a big camera charger, my wallet, just like I have a lot of little things in here that I do feel like I need all the time, so I just would rather have everything rather than like have something missing from my bag. With the Speedy B25, I strictly only carry this on my shoulder. So let me just show you guys what that looks like. I just have my pajama bottoms on right now because I just could not wear my pants anymore, but this is what it looks like. And I really like it as a shoulder bag. Sometimes I will carry it on the crook of my arm like this, which I don't have a problem with. And I am 5'3", by the way. And then I'll also carry it just like top handle. So yeah, those are the only ways that I would wear this. Let me move you guys back over here. I don't wear this any other way. I just really like it as a shoulder bag. I don't like it as a crossbody. I hate crossbody bags so much, I've come to realize. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of let you guys know that. I'll go ahead and try on the Alma BB. It also comes with its own dust bag for the strap if you guys purchase it through me. Oh, this one is the other part for the Speedy B that I actually never use, the Speedy B strap. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach this on for the Alma, just so you guys can see. And the hardware color looks about the same. It's a little bit lighter than the color on this. So this looks a little bit like dull, and then this one looks more shiny, which is the same as on the Speedy bag, so don't let that scare you. So this bag, I will show you guys. It hits me right here. And I just found that I don't really like the way that it kind of sticks out. It's just kind of like annoying to me. And sometimes I'll be wearing a sweater or a jacket and it's just been way too big. So it's just like kind of annoying to always like have it on the shoulder, or over the shoulder rather. I don't like the way that it makes my boobs look. I just like hate that. And yeah, I think it's cute, but again, it just doesn't carry everything that I need it to carry. So you can carry it like this. More so, I usually carry it on the shoulder, and it's just like way too long, obviously, for a shoulder bag. But because that's how I like carrying my bags, that's how I normally carried it. But it was just like annoying. And then you can obviously carry it this way or this way. And then I've also had some people tell me that they put the Speedy strap on the Alma, so let me go ahead and try that. Obviously it only works if you have the Speedy bag as well. So this is like super cute. I love it as a shoulder bag like that. I think it's just different. Like you don't see a crossbody bag this big or like a shoulder bag that big, so I just think it's like really cute. It's like, I kind of like it. And then like this, it reminds me of the Givenchy kind of straps because their straps are usually way bigger than the bag. So I love the look of it. Yeah, I just feel like I don't like the crossbody strap, and I don't want to like completely disregard the strap for the bag just because, I mean, that's like one of the features of the bag. You pay extra to get that strap, and the strap by itself is pretty expensive. I think I would say. So I guess I'll just tell you guys because I didn't end up getting the item anyway. But when I went to Hawaii, I did purchase a Speedy B25, put it in the monogram print, just because I really want that bag now. Ever since I realized how much I use this one, I figured it would be a little silly to kind of wear this during the spring and the fall time, and the spring and the summer, just because this is more of like a fall time bag. So I was just like, okay, that'll look kind of stupid. Yeah, that's why I wanted the Speedy B25 in monogram, and I really want it. Like I really want it, but I just want a made in France one just because it's a classic piece, so I would want it made in France. I don't want a made in US, made in whatever, Spain. I just like, because it's a Speedy bag, it's like I want it where it's, you know, where it originated from. So I really want it like made in France, and I am gonna go to London. It's confirmed. I'm happy about that. But yeah, I am gonna go to London, so I hope that I can probably find one in Paris, and if I can't find one, then I might make my way like around London and see if they probably have a made in France one, a Speedy B25. So I'm really hoping that I can find one. I'll probably contact my SA here at Rodeo to see if he has one, but I would prefer to get one like tax-free and cheaper, so I think that would be really good. But yeah, I'm just like ride or die for my Speedy. It's just such an amazing bag, and I feel like everyone needs one in their life, whether it's a 30, whether it's a 25, or you know, a 20, whatever size you like, get your size. But 25 is perfect for me. It fits everything that I want it to, and I just throw shit in here like it's nobody's business. Like, I throw everything in here, and it does get heavy. When I felt the vaqueta strap, I was like, oh my god, this is so comfortable. For the Speedy B25 in mono, I was like, oh my god, this is so comfortable. I need it. I have to have it, and I really, really want it. I do. It wasn't on my wish list or anything. I didn't think that I would be getting that bag or even thinking about it. I wanted the Speedy B45 for traveling, and I also wanted, like, I forget what was on my wish list, but I have a few things that were on the wish list that are off of the wish list. So I just wanted to mention that. Maybe I'll do an updated one, but for now, I just have my eye on the Speedy B25 in mono. Really hope that I can get that. And I also really wanted the front row sneakers, but they didn't have my size at the store. At any of the stores in Hawaii, they didn't have it, so I was just like really sad about that. And it just like sucked. Like, everything that I wanted, they just didn't have. They had a Speedy B25 mono, but it was not made in France, and I was not going to settle for a classic piece that wasn't made in its original country. So yeah, overall I would choose the Speedy B25 over the Alma. I think the Alma is beautiful. I already did a review on this. If you guys would like to check that out, I will have it linked up top. But I'm sad that she has to go. Also, I did want to let you guys know that I am selling the Alma, like I said, for $1,200, or for, it depends. Like, it depends. If you're rude to me, then I'll sell it to you for $1,200. But if you're like nice to me, then I'll sell it to you for cheaper. Probably only like $25 cheaper, because it's like a brand new bag. It's not brand new in the sense that I just got it brand new, but it's a Dami Ibin bag. There is no wear and tear on this bag. So I think that that was one of my favorite things about it, and I still really love it. I think it's really cute. I've gone back and forth on like, do I want to keep this? Do I not want to keep it? Like, I don't know. I'm just like torn, because I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like kind of sad to like let it go, but I just don't use it at all. And I would love to have a Speedy B mono in my collection. I think that would just be like the icing on the cake, because I think that bag is beautiful, and I want something that has a little bit more vaqueta than the Neverfull, because the Neverfull has like very minimal, and I really don't care if like I get water spots on it or anything. Like, that bag is gonna go through the ringer. So that's like my travel bag, and I never take it out other than like when I travel, basically. So yeah, I do want the Speedy B25 in mono, so I'm hoping that I can get that when I go to London. But yeah, that was my review. I guess I'll show you guys what can carry what in the bag. So yeah, let's go ahead and skip to that clip. Okay, when it comes to the bags, I just want to show you guys what can fit in what. I already have a what's in my Speedy B25 and what's in my Alma, but I just want to show you guys you know, what it looks like on the inside. So this is what my Speedy looks like right now. I don't really use an organizer for it, like I told you guys in that video. I only use it when I'm carrying a little bit of items, and they're smaller items. I have my wet ones in here right now. I usually have my phone, that fits no problem. My iPhone cord, my mini pochette, my Big Cats one. I can't let this go. I can't like switch it out for my mini pochette that I just got. So I think I'm gonna sell the other mini pochette. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments, or you guys can send me an email to my business email. It's xojennydey@gmail.com. So yeah, I have my mini pochette, because I don't think I'm ever going to switch out of that. My Victorine wallet. I have my Dami Ibin key clay. I have my external charger. My sunglasses, compact. I have hand sanitizer. I have a key ring holder, because all you have to do is pick it on here and it hooks onto anything. So I really like it. I have a hair clip and 2 tampons and my hand cream. So that is everything that I have in here. It's empty. Now let me show you guys how much of those items fit in here in my Alma. So let's do a mini pochette. I forgot how tight this was inside the bag. So mini pochette. Let's do Victorine wallet. We're getting real tight in here. I need the key clay. Fits like that. Is this better for you guys to see? I don't know. So I need the key clay. Let's see. I'll need my tampon, so I'm gonna throw that in there. Hand sanitizer. I can, I don't know, sunglasses, I need to have my sunglasses. I could probably fit this compact up here. No. A keyring, I need this, so I'll put it right on that corner there, in there. Let's see if hand cream can fit in here. No. Maybe like that. That will distort the zipper. So let me take this out. I can probably fit wet ones in here. Yeah, so that fits in here. So what's left out is my cord, my external charger, my hand cream, my compact, and my hair clip. So let's go ahead and zip this up. And it is still distorted at the zipper. I hate that, so let me try to put it lower. It's still distorted. So in that case, I will usually take I'll take the key clay and put it up here just to avoid that, and then let's see if that works. Let's see if that helped at all. A little distortion here at the zipper. And the thing is, guys, canvas stretches. So if you do not like your canvas to stretch, do not do this. Look, do you see how it's kind of going inward? So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Okay, so there is a perfect zipper. No distortion, nothing going on. And I had to take out my sunglasses and my wet wipes. So that shows you that you definitely have to downsize with this bag, and I am not for that. It's very frustrating for me because I do want to have this. I always need my powder when I'm drinking out at night. My under eyes can tend to get a little bit dark, and if I go out to drink, I'm having more than 3 glasses of champagne, so I need something foolproof, which is this. So I can't leave this out. I know that you can obviously only hold the card case and stuff, and some people like to downsize, but I don't want to buy a $250 card case just to be able to fit it in here, just so I can take this bag out. Like, I don't know. Lately, for going out, all I've been doing is putting a longer chain on my mini pochette, and I just carry it like this. And I usually wear cream colors for going out at night, or like brown colors, so the mini pochette works perfectly for me. And then sometimes I'll have on a red lip and, you know, just like a really smoked out look, or just like a wing liner, and then I'll wear a red lipstick and it matches with this little tab. So yeah, I'll just connect a longer chain on it, and it's perfect for wearing as like a shoulder bag or across the body, or just like even like this. I think this is fine. Sometimes I'll just carry it like this, and it's really, really nice. So yeah, you definitely do have to downsize for this bag, and I just personally don't really like doing that, especially when I'm in a rush and I need to go to different places. It's just really inconvenient for me. So that's what the zipper looks like, just perfect, and it works really well. I didn't get the Clichette hot stamp, so it's still blank. But yeah, so that's my review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe down below if you aren't already. I make all kinds of videos. I have mukbangs, makeup videos, vlogs, lifestyle, things like that. So if you guys want to join my channel, then please subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!